Hello everybody, welcome back to Ratchet and Clank Rift Apart, episode 22.
That Ratchet's got everything handled right now.
But we're going to try to hunt down the dimensional map before the Furiouses, both of them do.
Feeling more precise than spray and pray? Get the headhunter for stellar shooting. Buy it while you can, sweet cheeks. Thanks for shopping, cutie pie. Gotta
Well, I think
blast some more baddies
25
before you
or
can
20.
upgrade that one. I do like the sight of that. Beside now.
You know what, I'm going to turn off auto aim for this.
Do not retreat, troopers!
So good to be a part of something bigger.
The Emperor's gotta be heading for the archives. We have to get there first.
He is overusing the Dimensionator. The boundaries between the universes are coming undone.
So now we've got Bone Goons?
Bone Goons. Of course we do.
Is it just me? Or are these guys creepy?
Incredibly disturbing.
Hey guys, I think the dead are rising down here.
I'm sorry, what?
Hurry, Ratchet. We must get to the archives.
We've got it covered. Don't worry about it. Bye. That rift will take us inside. Come on. Oh no. Rivet, the dimensional map's gone. The Emperor must have gotten here first.
We're coming up on his flagship. We'll get it back. Are Gary and the monks safe?
We'll find them. Good luck up there.
Based on the structural norms of the Emperor's ships, we should find high-value assets on the upper level.
Let's hope the map's up there.
The Lombax! How did you get here?
Your security... terrible.
Flagship, progress report.
Your Greatness! Apologies! The army of undead has hampered our progress!
I was believing that Dimensionator would cause problems. Problems? Never.
Alright, time to turn off.
This is a flourish to mark the occasion.
We're here for the flagship tour.
We must scour the remaining archives. Think of the treasures within. Weapons of unimaginable power. Lost episodes of lands and journeys. Those baubles are useless. The map is all we need. The rest can burn.
Wait, does that mean he has the map already, or... Ratchet, are you seeing anything from Quantum's helmet?
Nothing useful.
It has to be here. We just need to keep moving.
Feels so good to be a part of something bigger. Close in on this.
We're here for the flagship tour. We don't need a ticket. Right?
We must scour the remaining archives. Think of the treasures within. Weapons of unimaginable power. Lost episodes of lands and journeys. Those baubles are useless. The map is all we need. The rest can burn.
Wait, does that mean he has the map already, or... Ratchet, are you seeing anything from Quantum's helmet?
Nothing useful.
It has to be here. We just need to keep moving.
You made a big mistake boarding this ship.
I was just gonna take it for a quick joyride.
Never. For the Emperor. You will regret this insolence, rebels.
Emperor Nefarious. I've been waiting for this. Wait!
I hoped you'd find me. Oh, sorry, coming back to one's body mid-meditation. Oh, that's smarts.
What are you doing here?
The Emperor captured me after he discovered I'd hidden the dimensional map in an anomaly.
So he doesn't have it yet.
No, but he's opening rifts willy-nilly to get to it. It's only a matter of time before he's successful.
Ratchet. Good news and bad news. Bad news, the Emperor's not here. Good news, we're with Gary. He says the map's hidden inside a dimensional anomaly.
In the catacombs, you can get down there by activating the excavation towers.
You can activate them via nearby pressure locks. When a tower's beacon switches from red to green, it is working.
One of the pressure plates.
I think it's turning on. Let's find another. Oh, hey! Our creepy undead friends are back.
I really do not like the clicking sounds they make.
We're getting off this ship. Let's go, Gary.
Yes, good idea.
Meet you guys in the catacombs.
Oh, if I had nightmares, bone goons would make a regular appearance.
Alright, now that we got that trophy, we can turn everything back on.
Another turned on. Good thing Nefarious doesn't have a map to help him find the map.
Only one remaining.
I thought you said this was the way out. It appears to be the lower engine room. The layout of the ship is odd. Should have killed Nefarious to hang a big neon exit sign.
Here we come. Never thought I'd say that.
You didn't take a do no violence vow, did you, Gary?
Unfortunately.
That is all right. We will defend you.
Guess we have to go down, huh? All right, let's get down into the catacombs. Is that the anomaly?
It is. This place is
huge.
If you can get us there, I will be able to get inside and find that map.
Gary, did we take a wrong turn? We're in a giant tube that smells like the underbelly of a snagglebeast.
The aqueducts! There should be a trail of goo that leads to the catacombs. It's a byproduct of... it's not important.
The goo! Right. Come on, almost there. Excuse us.
Just drive through them, Ratchet. We made it.
Greetings, wizards.
Hey, it's the monks. We're on it.
Holy.
You said it, pal. We gotta keep them away from the monks.
If it means we will never have to see a bone goon again, I am happy to assist. It has completely ruined percussion instruments for...
Can't let the bone goons stop the monks.
We must protect the monks.
Undead.
Oh, that one was chaotic. I ran out of literally everything else.
The rift is closed. Thank you, wayfarers.
We must proceed to the anomaly.
Gotta go. Stay safe, guys.
Ratchet, Clank, we're planet side. Find the map yet?
I will retrieve the map as quickly as I can.
You got this, Bolts. We'll meet you down there. We did not see the Emperor on our way out. I am afraid he...
Do not worry, Clank. You have done this before. And now you are talking in the second person like Ratchet does when he is stressed. Oh my. Oh, no matter. Just take things one step at a time like Gary said. Fix the anomaly, then grab the dimensional map. A concentrated ball of boosted gravity. Amazing. Why am I so nervous about this anomaly? Because the dimensions are close to completely collapsing and ending all life as I know it. Yes, that is a perfectly valid reason to be nervous. They are not real, but I feel like I should thank my possibilities for helping me learn about dimensionality. Thank you. Clanks? This knowledge, I feel like I am finally close to understanding everything and knowing how to save the dimensions. Hiding the dimensional map in an anomaly is quite ingenious. Well done, Gary. Full speed ahead.
I'll be right back. I am back.
This is a heavy one. If the Emperor gets a hold of the dimensional map, he could spread his terror wherever he pleased. He could take over everything.
So I need them to go straight, but I can't. Oh, what if I put one there? Haha. Oh, but that don't make that button that up. Oh. Oh. ain't taking this through very well. Alright, I just have to think for a minute. That lies something else. That should hopefully get him over past the little. Oh my god, it did.
Oh, thank goodness. This may be it. The final puzzle. The knowledge is tickling the back of my mind. Free energy? How nice. This is where Ratchet would tell himself to take a deep breath. I must keep in mind that I have gotten this far, and statistically speaking, I am just as likely to succeed now. Accomplished a great deal since arriving in this dimension. I will continue to do so. This anomaly will not stop me.
Good.
I can do this. I will do this.
see.
Fight the Emperor again, no matter what. But he will not catch us by surprise this time. I know how to stop the cataclysm. I know how to stop the cataclysm. And we are about to get that Oh, things are finally going our way. Ratchet, I
did it! Hooray! Now hand it here so I don't have to send your friend's head to Torren 4. Don't worry! I'll be hosting a viewing party of my victories in Sword.
Come on, kid. We gotta... Run.
Run? This is our last chance to stop him!
Sorry.
here.
Oh.
Zordoom.
Is going to do it for this episode. Thank you all for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe. We'll see you all in the next one.
Processing center should be just up ahead.